There are birds everywhere.
Oh my
Holy
fuck.
fuck, holy shit, holy shit, holy fuck. Don't yell at us. Close that window, holy shit. Birds everywhere. Birds everywhere. Birds everywhere.
I'm fucking tripping,
Birds!
man.
Holy fuck, the bird's gonna come out. Oh fuck, oh shit, he saw that, he saw that.
What are you doing, man?
Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy fuck, birds.
They're coming, man.
Holy shit.
I'm fucking scared. They're gonna
Look at
bite
this
my
bird.
hand.
Holy fuck, that one.
There's one right here, right above us. Look at them all.
Holy shit. Oh, he just shit on your car.
Did he?
My word, he shit on the car.
Why were those?
My word, he just shit on the car.
Watch it.
He shit. Took it off the car.
What?
My word, he took a deuce straight on the car. Holy shit.
Keep recording.
Holy shit. These birds are everywhere. Holy fuck, he's just sitting there now. He's like, yo, reach.
Watch.
Holy shit, he's pecking at the window. Holy shit.
Come get it.
He's like, yo, one's just gonna come in, one's just gonna fly in here. These birds are everywhere. He's like, yo. He's like, I can smell it. He's like, take it. Look at his old grandma. She's like, what are you doing? His old grandma's just chilling. This old lady just sitting there. Holy shit. Old lady's like, what do you do, man? Holy fuck. This bird's like, don't film this. I think there's one standing on the fucking roof. Holy shit.
No, I'm gonna search the car.
Yeah. The car is
We're
on.
gonna try to drive while fucking having seagulls on the car.
Holy shit. Holy fuck.
They're beefing on my car, man.
Yeah, they're like, yo. Holy shit. Oh, he's like, yo. Hits the fucking windshield. Yo, turn on the fucking wipers. Ah! Holy shit. You put it on now, you should put the fucking water on.
Okay, well, wait, I'll get him back.
Holy fuck, that one almost came in. Oh. Like, what the fuck? They're just hovering there. Yeah, come back. Get that. Oh, shit. Birds everywhere.
I have so much shit on my car.
He actually took a deuce there.
Where?
Right there. Birds everywhere. Whoa, this one.
It's time for the grand finale, you know? You gotta run them over.
Yeah. Holy fuck, they're everywhere. This is it.
Okay, you gotta throw them out
Put them all into one.
and just throw them onto the car. Like, throw them on right there. Right here, I got it.
Holy shit, here it is. This is it. This is it. They're like, what do we do? Come on. Yeah, there's a lot. They're like, this is a trap. They're like, we think this is a trap, actually. Oh. He's like, He's like, I think he's gonna do something. They're like, I think he's gonna do something. He's like, I'm getting all them. They're like, well, no, we're getting them. Holy shit, they're everywhere. Holy fuck, there's birds everywhere. Holy fuck, there's birds everywhere. Holy shit, there's birds everywhere. Holy fuck, birds everywhere. One's just gonna fly in. Look at that one bird. What the fuck, birds everywhere. Yeah, see, holy shit. He was taking that.
Run over this one right here. See that one right there? I'm gonna run him over.
birds, the birds, get him. God damn. Took one deuce. Out of all those birds, one deuce isn't that bad.